How to set up Dropbox Paper documents. Simply open any web browser and type in Dropbox and hit search. Now tap on the official website. Now make sure that you sign into your account. Now after you log into your account in your browser, click on the grid or apps icon on the top left or upper right corner of your screen and then select paper from the drop down menu. Alternatively, you can also type the paper.new directly into your browser address bar. In this way, you can access your paper and now simply create a doc. Click the Create New Doc button to open a blank workspace. Dropbox Paper uses a clean interface that responds to typing commands, making it easy to format text quickly without using menus. And if you want to collaborate with your team, Paper makes teamwork simply by allowing multiple people to work on the same document at the same time. And that's it, guys. In this way, you'll be able to set up Dropbox Paper documents, as well as create and collaborate online. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.